I've had a lot of things done in this house and had a lot of things redone in this house, and this is the best experience I've had.
I felt supported and confident the entire time.
They got everything done in one day. That was a fantastic surprise.
It changed the entire house, actually. It's not just that it's quieter, but it's also you feel more secure. I'm still getting used to the thermostat.
I can't say enough good things about them.
What a difference. I mean, just coming into the driveway, and looking at them, I'm like, oh, I just love them. I love them. They're great.
From A to Z, like I said, they actually made us feel like a part of the family, with them, and they explained everything thoroughly. I mean, I can't complain about the experience overall.
I can't hear a thing going on outside at all, so it's totally peaceful inside.
It was a great experience. They were very clean and took care of everything quickly and very professional.
Overall experience was well. People were very courteous, on time, very professional.
I'm loving them. I'm getting so many compliments from neighbors and friends, and I just love them.
The installation crew, they were quite professional. They installed the windows and they took the old windows out, and we were quite pleased with them.
Just hear the quiet. That's all I need to say. And I love it. It's peaceful. It was worth every nickel.
It was an excellent experience. Their customer service is exceptional, and they follow up when they say they're going to follow up, and we really enjoy the product.
Love them. And when you walked in, the first day I walked in, even the lighting was different. They've been really a good addition to the home.